Welcome to the small book phenomena, and I call this the lazy chiropractor's guide to writing a book. Firstly, I want to thank you. I want to thank you for investing in yourself and investing in this book, because it is going to change the health and quality of lives of your patients and increase the awareness of your practice within the community, making a profound impact. So you're going to grow your practice, change health and quality of lives of your patients and the community. You're going to be seen as an expert. You're going to develop authority and positional status. This is a wonderful, wonderful gift, not only to you and your practice, but also to the chiropractic profession, as people know, learn and understand more about chiropractic and its impact upon the health and quality of lives of not only patients, but really elevating the consciousness of humanity through chiropractic and the gifts chiropractic offers. So what I want to do in this very short video is let you know that this is such an easy process. This is a small book, which is why I call it the small book phenomena. Something you could read in a night. And the takeaway I want you to really grasp as you watch this video before you dig into this book is that within 90 days, if you follow the steps outlined, you can write a best-selling book that will massively, rapidly and dramatically grow your practice, increase your client conversions, build on your client retention, and improve the health and life outcomes of the care that you deliver, putting you in a position of a profound leader within your community through the gifts of chiropractic and the impact that chiropractic has on people's health and quality of life. So I want you to grasp that understanding with both hands, with excitement, with anticipation, with a sense of, I've got to dig into this and I've got to dig into this now. 90 days to writing a best-selling book. And I want to really just highlight, and I want to do this in an audio version so that you could, before you get into the book, really grasp this. You already have written this book. You have already written a book to change the health and lives of your patients, transform the community. Because every time you go into an initial consultation, you talk with them, you uncover what's happening, why what's happening. You uncover for them what you can do about them. You share a report of findings. You deliver you educate your clients along the way as to the gifts of chiropractic. Then you explain how the nervous system responds after an adjustment, and you talk about how people's health improves as a result of nervous system, brain-body connection. And all of this, when expressed and explored in depth, every time you speak with your patients, clients, practice members, you grow their understanding of chiropractic. However, you don't realize this. You've already shared so much with them that if you were to record every single one of those sessions, that would fill a book. And it would be a great book, a classic book, a profound, life-changing book. And that's why I wanted to share this. You've already written the book. Now within the pages that follow this, you have got the model to take what's already in here, and you have in here in your heart and mind, put it onto a page, get out there in the community and change the world. So thank you once again for investing in yourself, investing in this book, and being willing to change the health and lives of your patients and your community in serving chiropractic and its impact upon the world. Read the page. Read all of the pages, but don't just read it. Take action. Write the book. Publish the book. Market the book. And change the world. And if you need help, reach out. I'm here for you. Let's go change the world together through chiropractic.